Welcome to the School Behavioral Threat Assessment Platform. In this tutorial, you'll learn about the dashboard landing page and how to navigate the system. After logging in, you will arrive at the dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary of activity within your organization and quick access to the applications and information you use most frequently. The information displayed on the dashboard is based on your user role and permissions. The navigation menu is located on the left side of the screen. From here, you can access each application within the platform, including students, assessments, cases, incidents, field reports, tasks, events, and the map. The applications available may vary depending on your organization's configuration and your assigned permissions. At the bottom of the navigation menu, you'll also find quick access to search, settings, help, and feedback. These options allow you to search the system, manage administrative settings based on your permissions, access training resources, or submit product feedback. The Help button will open the Help section, which includes sections with the user guide, various how-to videos, the support contact information, and FAQs. The Feedback button opens a dialog box allowing users to provide feedback on the system. It also provides the support email address where users can contact Haystack staff for assistance. The center of the dashboard contains a collection of widgets that provide a real-time overview of activity throughout the system. The widgets displayed may vary depending on your organization's configuration. Examples include Asset Details Activity, which summarizes recent activity related to students and other assets. Recently Added Items, which displays recently created assessments and incidents. Map, which provides a geographic view of locations associated with system data. Starred Items, allowing quick access to frequently used records. Assigned to Me, displaying assessments, interviews, or other work items currently assigned to you. Recent Incidents, providing quick access to the most recently created incidents. Timeline, which displays recent activity in chronological order. Data Stream, which displays threat-related information or system feeds when configured. These widgets provide quick visibility into current activity without requiring you to navigate through each application individually. The Quick Search box, located at the top of the screen, allows you to quickly locate records throughout the platform. Begin typing the name of a student, assessment, incident, case, or other record to search across the system. In the upper right corner of the dashboard, you'll find your notifications, user profile, and account options. Notifications alert you to important activity within the system. Selecting your name opens your user profile, where you can review or update your personal information, change your password, and configure notification preferences. From this menu, you can also log out of the application. The dashboard serves as your central workspace within the School Behavioral Threat Assessment Platform. From here, you can quickly monitor activity, access applications, manage assigned work, and navigate throughout the system.